welcome back to my channel. As you all can see, I got a little grass going on behind me. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how I put together this grass wall. If you all have any questions or need help finding any of the items that I use, don't hesitate to leave those questions down in the comment section. I'll respond to each and every one as soon as I can. But let's get into this video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to measure your wall so that you know exactly how you want to lay your tile out and how you want the grass to be placed on the wall. After you open your box, go ahead, take each tile piece out and lay it down on the floor. I ordered a box of 12 20 by 20 tile. I'll leave the link for that down in the description box. After you start laying out each piece, you do have the option to use the zip ties that comes with the grass. However, what I will say is that the grass has snaps on it for you to connect the pieces, which saved us a lot of time. It was pretty fast. It only took us about 3 to 5 minutes to do. And it's pretty easier than doing multiple zip ties on each tile. Make sure that you secure all of the snaps. Some of them may be a little hard to get through, but just push a little bit hard and it'll all work. So after you connect all the pieces, go ahead, pick up your grass and place it against the wall, just so you can figure out how you want your grass to look. I decided to do the horizontal look just because the vertical look was more of like a backdrop for like a photo shoot, in my opinion. After you figure out exactly how you want your grass placed on the wall, go ahead and start to secure the top of your grass using the staple gun. What I will say is that it is a little hard the first couple of times to get the staples through the mat. You have to figure out exactly how to place your staple gun across the mat. After you secure the top, go ahead and just start doing maybe like a row of staples right under that, just to make sure that the top is nice and secure. That's very, very, very important because you don't want part of the wall to be falling down while you're stapling the rest of it. So as you can see, I've gone to both sides and make sure that it's nice and stapled to the wall. The rest of the wall is kind of loose at this point, but that's okay because I'm just going to go in and I'm going to go around the side of the wall, and then I'm going to go throughout the middle and just place staples on the grass so that the grass is stapled to the wall. You do want to make sure that you part the grass and that you're able to see the mat behind it because, like I said before, you don't want to staple the grass. You want to staple the mat behind the grass because you don't want your wall to look like it has dents or anything in it. And guys, here we have it, my beautiful grass wall. It turned out perfect. I hope you all enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all next time. Bye.